Hi, I'm Petra, mother of 4.
When I once saw how so many women were struggling to provide clean water and safety for their families, I felt I had to act. And today I'm proud of all the 800,000 people that we are supporting, but I'm also frustrated because there is so much more to do.
Right now, 120 million people worldwide are refugees, and the situation is getting worse due to climate change. The need for sustainable solutions for energy and water becomes even more urgent.
Ninafurahi juu niko na watoto, tulikuwa tupikisha mai ya mbaya tunakunya tu, lakini hii itatusaidia juu magonjwa afya zetu zikuwe pia.
With your help, we are looking to expand our projects. Data shows us that we're on the right track.
When it's a green, happy face, the water is safe.
We need to engage more women and communities and showcase the health and cost-saving model we can provide to act as managing the refugee crisis. We haven't yet reached all the women and families in need. To change this, we will use your support to make Solvatten available for women and strengthen entire communities.